In this lesson, we will learn how algorithms are represented using flowcharts. We will study why algorithms need representation, what a flowchart is, common symbols, flow lines, and clear examples. After analyzing a problem, programmers identify logical steps. These steps must show input, process, and output clearly before coding starts. A flowchart is a visual representation of an algorithm. It uses shapes connected by arrows. Each shape shows one step. Algorithms can be represented using flowcharts or pseudocode. A flowchart is visual. Pseudocode is written in readable text. Flowcharts use standard symbols. Start and stop use terminal symbols. Input and output use parallelograms. Processes use rectangles. Decisions use diamonds. Every flowchart should start clearly and end clearly. Arrows show the direction of execution, so follow the arrows step by step. Input and output symbols show data entering or leaving. Process symbols show calculations such as square equals number multiplied by number. A decision symbol checks a condition. The answer is usually yes or no. Based on that answer, the flowchart follows one path. For finding the square of a number, input is the number. Process is number times number. Output is the square. The square flowchart starts, inputs num, calculates square equals num times num, prints square and stops. For sum of two numbers, input num1 and num2. Compute result equals num1 plus num2, then print result. For rectangle calculations, input length and breadth. Calculate area and perimeter, then print the results. To draw neatly, use one action per symbol, connect every step, label decision paths, and always end with stop. Avoid common mistakes. Do not forget start or stop. Do not use the wrong symbol. Do not write long sentences inside shapes. Recap. A flowchart represents an algorithm visually. Shapes show steps. Arrows show order. A neat flowchart makes logic easy to understand. Thank you for watching this video. For more computer science revision, visit www.tuitionharbour.com or email at hello@tuitionharbour.co.uk.